place. Coming from Laridel East Elementary School, congratulations to Yumi Rose Gumban, Coach Rebecca Albazon. 13th place, we have from Antonio Villasis Memorial School. Congratulations to Harvey Zian Tutica, Coach Marites Ibanez. 12th place, hailing from Kulasi Elementary School. Congratulations to Natalia Fredian Serbo, Coach Philip Christian. Sir Philip Christian, congratulations. Eleventh place, hailing from Anatolia, Arsenas Memorial School. Congratulations to Rochelle May Pajares, Coach Ma'am Irene De Leon. Our top 10 qualifiers to the Regional Schools Press Conference, starting off with 10th place, coming from Don Inocencio del Rosario Memorial School. Congratulations to Thessalonica Bienes, Coach Sir Jane Bolaño. Again, we have from 10th place, Thessalonica Bienes. 9th place, we have from the College of St. John Rojas. Congratulations to Casilla Astrid de la Cruz, Coach Maria Carmen Uba. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations once again to our 12th place winner in editorial cartooning, hailing from Colegio de la Purísima Concepcion. We have Natalia Fredian Serbo with Sir Philip Christian as the coach. Moving on to our 8th place for editorial cartooning, hailing from Mokpong Elementary School. Congratulations to Aldrin John Pionello, Coach Ma'am Jennifer Ganya. Seventh place, coming from PMR Mayes South, Kayla Simonet Nuevas, Coach for Wilbert Tabueno. Sixth place, still coming from Don Inocencio del Rosario Memorial School. Congratulations.